Hey guys, welcome to the channel. Today we're going to be talking about AI and how it's going to affect your current bags. I know you've seen Bitcoin went above $75,000. We've set out a lot of content, a lot of premieres, so you guys can check it out. We also have our free community, the Bull Run Blueprint, for you guys to learn from A to Z, from beginner to intermediate to advanced. But in this video, we're going to be talking about how you can utilize your passion for AI and the AI narrative in this bull run. If you know anything about AI, you know Render is one of the top AI tokens. And if you haven't checked out Render, it's been here. It's been through a bull run and a bear run, and it's the first AI token in the top 100. One that is also my favorite since the last bull run, and they also have hardware, and they're a cloud computational AI crypto platform. It would be Akash. I would definitely take a look into this protocol. They have a really strong team, and definitely one of the favorites of Elio Trades if you follow him. Um, Let me know if you want me to dive into gaming tokens. We obviously talk about meme tokens. We obviously talk about first layer protocols, from Vitalik Buterin to Dr. Gavin Wood to Charles Hoskinson, um, to Solana to the meme coin hub. So we talk about everything from A to Z. So check out our free community, the Bull Run Blueprint, on school.com. And if you have any questions, leave it in the general discussion and we'll get to it as soon as we can. So good luck, guys. And no matter what level you're at, make sure you find a group of people and have a thesis for the reason you invest. And for those of you that are thinking about investing, make sure you can afford to invest and don't invest anything you're not willing to lose, especially if you're going into these micro cap gems because you want a 10x or 100x, which is completely possible, but you shouldn't be betting your livelihood. That's the equivalent to gambling, although it is calculated risk and everyone's appetite is different. So smash that like button if you're going to make a lot of money in this bull run. Leave a comment below, and I'll see you in the next one.